Welcome back. Madgaon Forest Department arrested 4 frog poachers at 2 different sites on Sunday night. Police have booked them under Section 51 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Police nagged Mukhtar Sheikh at San Jose de Ariel and Jose Silva, Agnello Silva and Godfrey Silva were arrested at Gudi Paroda near IDC Estate.
Last night, kalche rati, आम्ही पेट्रोलिंगला गेलो at about 10 o'clock. आमचे पेट्रोलिंग स्टार्ट जाता वयतना आमकां सांजे देरल शेतां आसा चोडाव म्हणटा थिंगा चोडाव शेतांत मुख्तार शेख आनी जुजे सिल्वा हे दोगूय मेळ्ळे आमकां आनी तांच्या हातीन पिशवी आसलेली ते पिशवेन 7 बेबे मेळ्ळे आमी सीज केले आनी तांकां अरेस्ट केले आतां फातोडेर गुडी पारोडा मारगांव इंडस्ट्रियल स्टेट आसा थिंगा एक कानल आसा उदकाचो ऑफ इरिगेशन डिपार्टमेंट त्याच्या सायडीक 2 जाण एक पिशवी घेवन येताले ब्लॅक लुकटाची तांकां पळयले आनी तांकां इंटरसेप्ट केले आमी आनी तांचे लागीं 7 बेबे आसले पूण ताणें कितें केलें तांकां धरतना ताणें बॅग काडले शेवटून मारले उदकांत तांकांय आमी आतां अरेस्ट करून हाडले आसा तांचें नांव आग्नेलो सिल्वा आनी गॉडफ्री सिल्वा दोगूय कोंबा सांजे देरल.
The residents of Mardel Madgaon are facing hard time as sewage chambers have started overflowing. Locals fear epidemic in area. The residents have asked the authorities to act and stop the sewage overflow.
गांवची भुरगीं सगलीं स्कूल भुरगीं अशीं वयता ही ओडशीक सगलीं हिंग मलेरिया जावपाक शकता हे लोक शेत रोयता हिंग सगलीं ओडशीक जाल्लो आहा आनी कोण हेजे चोयना ना PWDन आजून चोयलो ना कोणे म्युनिसिपालिटीनूय चोयलो ना आजून
हें 2 दीस जालें हें उदक अशें हें जालां म्हाका दिसता तें सेवरेज बरोबर जावना अशें कितें जालें म्हाका खबर ना आतां हें ओवरफ्लो जाल्लें आहा कितले दीस जाले आतां हें 2 दीस जाले.
The residents are also aggrieved as material dump for a construction project in the area creates inconvenience for the commuters.
दुसरे म्हणटे बिल्डरान इतली माती हाडल्या हिंग उडयल्या रोड ब्लॉक जाला हिंग सगळे बिल्डिंगा फातर आनी हिंग ताशलाय तेणी आख्खी रास जाल्लो आहा सो हेज कोण ना हिंगा चोवपा बिवपा कोण येता एक बिल्डर आहाय तो ऑफिसान बसता कांय तांकां कोण गेलो ना हिंग कंट्रॅक्शनाचेर कितें चलत तें गांवचे लोकांक सगळे त्रास रोड आमगे फ्री आसलो वचपाक ही सगळी ओडशीक कोण उडयल्या सगळीं चोय आनी त्या बिल्डरान लोक दवरले तांकां टॉयलेट नाय सगळ्यांचे हिंग बसून टॉयलेट कोताय मागीर हें फायदो ना न्हू हे गांवचे लोक त्रास काटाय ते चोयचे कोण आमगे आहा तेणे हे आमगे डिमांड गव्हर्मेंटान चोयचे ही घाण आतां.
Savio Dice for Prudent.
64 out of total of 104 clubs have been declared eligible to vote in Goa Cricket Association's election on 28th of June. Those who did not make the cut had not submitted their nomination papers by cut-off time of 5 p.m. on 12 June. This was informed by GCA President Dr. Shekhar Sarkar. He, however, gave those clubs a lifeline who had attended the AGM and may go to the court for their voting right. One club is said to be in arbitration.
On Monday, the 3-man GCA election committee headed by ND Agrawal and comprising members Manoj Bandodkar and Rajnikant Lavandis scrutinized the nomination papers of affiliated clubs before arriving at the total number of 64 eligible clubs for voting at the upcoming GCA elections.
Election committee role is very limited.
Okay.
List has to finalize by the managing committee under the rules. We have to only just display.
GCA President Dr. Shekhar Sarkar explained the reasons behind deeming 39 clubs not eligible. He, however, gave them a lifeline of an appeal through court, provided they had attended the last AGM.
Because they don't know what is the constitution. As per the constitution, it has to be 15 days prior to the date of election. Before the date of the election, you have to give your nominee. The clubs are eligible, but they have not given their nominee in time. Now, if you don't give in time, no law can tell me that you accept them. No law, because it is the time is fixed for that only. And on 12th 5 o'clock was the time which is supposed to be 15 days prior to this election. Last AGM जाले आमचे somewhere in March. त्या मार्चान कोण कोण आयल्या पळय क्लबाचे मेंबर तांकां तूं वोटींग रायट दिवता काय ना तो I can give that voting right to them, okay, because they have somewhere represented that club in the last annual general body meeting. But this is, I have taken a legal opinion, they म्हणतात I cannot take a decision because there is nothing written on the constitution as per this that I can allow this and it is my right to give them. But suppose tomorrow arbitrator tells me or election committee tells me, election committee has not told me, arbitrator has got right to tell me, or the last one is a court. So tomorrow if they go to the court and court tells me whoever has attended the last AGM should allow them, I will be very happy to accommodate them. It will be coming to around another 22 clubs can be participating.
Sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.